Looking for a compact PC case that doesn't compromise on performance? The A4-H2O is an 11-liter small form factor case designed to fit Founders Edition 30 series GPUs and a 240mm AIO cooler, making it a perfect choice for gamers and creators who want power in a minimal footprint. This case is a collaboration with DAN cases, building on the iconic DAN A4-SFX sandwich layout. What sets the A4-H2O apart is its improved hardware compatibility, especially with AIO water cooling solutions, while keeping the sleek, minimalist design that enthusiasts love. Plus, installation is streamlined with front panel GPU access and a removable fan bracket for easier radiator and fan setup. Managing cables and storage won't slow you down either. The removable bottom cover supports SSD mounting and helps keep cables tidy, so your build looks clean and runs cool. Users appreciate the high-quality metal frame, which adds durability without adding bulk or noise during operation. Building in such a small case can be a challenge, but the design thoughtfully addresses this. Many users recommend watching a build guide to avoid reassembly. Once you get the hang of it, the airflow is excellent, and the case stays surprisingly quiet compared to other ITX options. It's a trade-off worth making for the size and style. If you're used to larger ATX cases, expect slightly higher temperatures, but nothing extreme. The A4-H2O balances compactness with thermal performance better than many competitors in the small form factor market. It's ideal for those who want a powerful, portable setup without sacrificing cooling or design. This case is not just about looks, it's about what you get: a compact, elegant, and efficient chassis that supports high-end GPUs and liquid cooling. Whether you're building your first SFFPC or upgrading your current rig, the A4-H2O offers a refined experience that's worth a look if you're serious about space-saving builds. Ready to build a powerful PC in a tiny package? The A4-H2O makes it possible without cutting corners on quality or performance. Try it when you're ready to take your small form factor game to the next level.